Making small updates on your home can have a significant impact on your home's value and appearance without breaking the bank. Here are some ideas. Number one, paint. A fresh coat of paint can really transform a room and make it feel new again. Number two, hardware. Updating cabinet knobs, drawer pulls, and door handles can really give everything just a cohesive, nice, streamlined look. Number three, lighting. Replace outdated lighting fixtures with more modern and energy efficient ones, which will also help with your electricity bill. Number four, landscaping. Improve your home's curb appeal by tidying up the landscaping. Trim bushes, prune trees, plant flowers, add some gravel or mulch just to give it all a nice polished look. Number five, flooring. If your budget allows, consider updating your old outdated flooring. Hardwood floors, laminate, vinyl planks can easily elevate the look of your home. Number six, kitchen updates. You don't need a full remodel to improve your kitchen. Consider painting the cabinets, replacing the countertop, or adding a backsplash to give it a nice, refreshed look. Number seven, bathroom. Upgrade your bathroom with simple updates like replacing the faucet, updating the fixtures, and switching out your vanity mirror. And finally, number eight, declutter and organize. Clearing out the clutter and organizing your belongings can immediately make your home feel more spacious and inviting. By focusing on these small updates, you can breathe new life into your home and create a space that feels more fresh, modern, and inviting without breaking the bank.